Did you miss me? Aw, yeah. What? What? MC Vagina's right back in this bitch. 2009 is the year that I recorded this song. Still not loving police. Still got love for the vaginal crease. Player haters beware, because guns don't kill people. I kill people with guns. How? Guns don't kill people. I kill people with guns. How? Hey, punk ass gangsters, what you looking at? You think you can fuck with me? You better watch your back, because I have a lot of guns and I can shoot them good. I'm a menace from society, a boy on the hood. I'm invincible.